Hi, my name is Andrew Eyre, and I'm an emergency medicine physician at Brigham Women's Hospital in Boston, Massachusetts, and at Harvard Medical School. It's been my privilege to be involved with the Summer Springboard Emergency Medicine program over the past few years, and I'm delighted to serve as faculty again. Emergency medicine is a wonderful specialty where we see the full range of patients and conditions. We get to see people with really acute and serious pathology, as well as some more minor pathology. We get to do procedures, we get to speak with patients, and it's really been a wonderful specialty for me. And I'm so excited that I get to share some of those passions with the students in the Summer Springboard program this summer. So this program is not just a chance for the students to learn, it's really a way for them to experience some of the aspects of emergency medicine. There'll certainly be some lectures and guest presentations, but they also get a chance to really do some hands-on learning. They'll practice airway management. They'll be able to do splinting. They'll practice large group scenarios. So it's an incredible way for people to get excited about medicine, get a taste of healthcare, and see if it's a field or specialty they may want to pursue in the future. So I'm really excited to get a chance to work with the students again this summer, and at least in Boston, to welcome them to our simulation center at Brigham Women's Hospital.